an object over a background image. So let's go to file and new general. So you'll see this, and then go to animation, add image background, then downloads, add image background, swimming. So this is, so I have to show this block. Okay, so this is the keynote. Here you'll progress as timeline progress. You have to show the animation. So at the 0, let's see the axis. X is toward myself, Y is towards right, Z is towards upward. So Y minus Y means it will move towards left. Okay, so this image is also moving. So I cube, select. Okay, so only cube is selected now. So again go to 20 and then Y minus 3. Here Y is minus 4. Okay, let's enable this. Y is minus 5. Okay, 5 is 3. So I'm moving it left side, so I have to decrease the value of Y because positive Y is towards right side. 2. Okay, I can show to and fro motion. Minus 5, X is minus 5. So you can see cube floating over swimming pool. Minus 8. Minus 9. So let me play this from the beginning. So you can see cube is floating over water, and then at the end you can do the render animation. So thanks friend, thanks for watching this. Hope you like the video. Animation is very necessary in all the fields, whether it's education, technology, finance. So like, subscribe, and also share with your friends, and also tap on the bell button to get regular videos, regular and interesting videos. Thanks.